Are you looking to disable vibration completely or just for specific functions on your Samsung phone? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off all vibration settings for your device. So, let's go. First, open up the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Sounds and Vibration. First of all, you can turn off the vibration while ringing from here. Now scroll down again. Tap on Call Vibration. From here, you can turn off the call vibration specifically by tapping on the silent as well. Now go back to the previous page and scroll down. Tap on System Vibration. Now toggle off all the options from here to turn off the vibrations. That's it. This is how you can turn off all vibration settings from your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.